my trading improved exponentially. Like it got 100 times better when I finally started doing these 4 things. And a lot of people probably don't do this. You'd be shocked just how much this can actually change your trading. Trading used to be difficult for me until I learned these 4 things, and I'm not even gonna waste any time. I'm gonna get right into it. But first, my name is Kelly OG. I run one of the top trading groups in the world, but I also teach people how to make money for a living, and it is probably the most amazing job on this planet. One of the most stressful, but it is amazing, and I thank God for it every day. So I'm happy you're here on my channel, and let's get right into it. So the very first thing that I would tell people, the very first thing that you have to understand when it comes to trading is just learn how to chart. Man, just learn how to chart. I cannot tell you how much learning how to chart took my trading from here to like there. I mean, it was insane because I was so focused on, I'm gonna copy what this person's posting on Twitter. I'm gonna start joining a bunch of groups and just copying each and every single thing that they say. And basically, I'm gonna cheat my way to making a lot of money trading by spending months and months and months copying instead of months and months and months learning. And you'd be shocked if you make, let's say you're in my group for 4 months, you make $5,000 each month copying us, right? And that's $20,000 that you make over the course of 4 months. That's great. Now, if you would value our educational section, where what we do is we teach you exactly how to trade the way we trade, or you watched anybody else on YouTube and you learned how to actually chart, you would be shocked how that $20,000, if you'd spend those months studying, should already be like $40,000, $50,000, $60,000. I know it's difficult. Take your time, be patient with it. The money is gonna come. It doesn't have to come tomorrow. It's going to come. So literally learn how to chart. I cannot tell you how much. And in learning how to chart, forget the indicators. You don't need a bunch of indicators. You can chart, and every single person I know that is an amazing charter uses no indicators. You don't need them. Indicators are usually delayed in their data, meaning when they're finally showing you something, it's either already happened, it's late, and I've gotten messed up so many times. I used to be in love with an indicator called the RSI, the Relative Strength Index, and essentially it tells you when a stock is about to pop, and I used to just, when it would go below, I would just start buying a bunch thinking it's gonna go up, and then it'll just start going like this, and it doesn't shoot up, and I lose so much money. I didn't actually get really good until I let go of that indicator, and I said, I know how to chart myself because I spent so much time studying this. I don't need pre-made indicator that's not going to correctly predict the market, because the market is made by the market makers, which are the big banks. And if the big banks know that we're going to make money, they're not going to do what we're going to do. They're going to do the opposite. So yeah, forget indicators, learn how to chart, manage your risk. A lot of people talk about managing risk and they make it seem as simple as you don't even really know risk. Okay, let's talk about risk for a second. When you manage your risk, it is truly going in saying, I am going in with $300 into this trade. If this trade goes to the absolute floor because some crazy news comes out, I am okay with losing $300. If I ask you right now if you're okay with losing $300 and you say no, knowing that there's a potential to still make money, but you still say, I do have the potential of making $1,000, but I have the potential of losing $300. I don't want to lose $300 if I don't make that $1,000. But if you put $100 up and you're like, man, $100, I accidentally make that in my sleep. I'll let $100 go to waste because I'll make it back tomorrow, but you'll risk $100 to make $600, then do it. But if you hesitate for a second of losing that, if you start thinking of, but I need to pay for it, take it out. Because if you lose that money, you're not right and really sound with that money going away. And we don't want that. You need to learn to manage your risk. It is so important. I couldn't preach it enough. I seriously couldn't. Now, the fourth thing is to drown out the noise. So many people look at somebody making $50,000 a day, $10,000 a day, $100,000 a day, $5,000 a day, and they automatically get upset if their first trade was $30. If for the first month of trading, they're only making $4 a day, $40 a day, $100 a day. It is not a 1 month journey. Every single person you know that is a 6-figure or millionaire trader that is consistently profitable, they've been trading for years, whether it's 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, 5 years, it doesn't matter. They've been trading for years. And so for a lot of people, your 1 month progress, you're comparing to somebody's 7-year progress. And that's why you continue to stay where you're at in trading. That's why a lot of people give up when trading, because they're too focused on somebody else's journey. You're looking at somebody else's cake. You don't realize that God said, when you finish this cake right here, I have a wedding cake coming for you. You got a slice of cake. They got a whole birthday cake. You have a wedding cake. But if you only focus on that slice and the fact that that slice is only 1/8 of what that person next to you has, you will never see the blessing that's on the other side. And so I need you to understand, when it comes to trading, it will get exponentially easier. And these are the things that I implemented before I said, you know what? Like, it's just like my trading exploded. I learned technical analysis because I couldn't keep copying people. I couldn't keep relying on people. I didn't like the sense of if I wanted to make money because I need to pay something, that I have to start searching through everything, through Twitter, through Discord groups. I want to be able to be confident enough to wake up and be that person that I want to make money today. No problem. I'm going to look at the charts. I got it. Indicators slowed me down. Once I took off indicators, it shot up. It shot up. I've had a ton of trading streaks. I've had a ton of winning streaks. I've had a ton of losing streaks. It happens to everybody, right? But you have to drown out the noise and you have to manage your risk. When you're having losing streak, don't let it hurt your psychology. It'll only hurt it if you're going in with money that you're not okay losing. And of course, if you don't care about $300 every single day and it adds up and you go 5 days, that's $1,500. But if you're risking $300 to make $1,000, it means that you usually are used to making $1,000. So you need to get into a trade with money that you know you can fall asleep and wake up and totally forget that money was there, and that will pay you the most. So I know I was a little fast paced in this video. I was feeling the spirit a little bit midway, but I really hope this helped you. I really do. And please take it from me. Take it from me being friends with, talking to, associating with multi-million-dollar traders. It's insane, and I want you to really take it seriously. All right. I cannot end this video without a prayer, so that is what I'm about to do. So if we can all close our eyes, bow our head. You don't have to, but God, I ask that each and every single person watching this video, that they took something from it, that it benefited them, it helped them, inspired them, it motivated them, that when they go in the future and they go back and they trade, that they remember these 4 things, that they apply it, that they add it, that they don't compare themselves, Lord. For you yourself said, comparison is the thief of joy. Allow them to be able to prosper and benefit in each and every single thing that they do. So congrats on your trading journeys. I'm excited for you. I hope to hear a lot of great stuff. You can always text me. I can't guarantee a super fast response, but I will try my hardest to respond when I see it. Okay, I think we're good. Yeah? All right. Goodbye, everybody. Mwah.